Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to our maths class, grade 11. This is chapter number 1, exercise number 2, equal set concepts. This is last class, ALS classes, sets and its representation of sets, finite set, infinite set, and empty sets are completed. Today, the equal sets, the concept of equal sets. Let's say chapter number 1. Sets. Final concept and exercise number 2. Equal sets. Fine. What is equal sets? Definition of equal set. Two sets has equal number of elements. Equal number of elements and corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are exactly the same element. Exactly the same element. Definition number 3. Define two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have same, exactly the same. Exactly the same elements, and we write A equal to B. A equal to B. Otherwise, this set or set to be unequal, and we write A is not equal to. Otherwise, set to be unequal. So let's say students, equal sets, definition equal set, two sets A and B, two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, So the two sets A are equal, so to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. And we write A equal to B. Otherwise, exactly the elements are not equal. Otherwise, the sets are said to be unequal. And we write A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. For example, let's say A is equal to A, B, C, D. And B is equal to C, B, E, A, B. Let's say the first set A equal to A, B, C, D, and second set element C, B, A, D. Both are the same element, but order is different. Here A is first element, C is second element. So order will not be same. So B is always equal to A, B, C, D. So these are the elements C, B, A, D, and A, B, C are also same. So compare the two sets A and B. A equal to A, B, C, D, and always same B equal to A, B, C, D. A, B, C, Suppose second one. The first one. Let us consider A equal to same A, B, C, D, and B equal to E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Compare the set A and B. A have elements of 4 elements and also A, B, C, D. A belongs to A and B belongs to A. C belongs to A and D belongs to A. But A is not belongs to B. B is not belongs to B. C is not belongs to B. D is not belongs to B. They say the definition exactly the same element. These two sets have the exactly same element. The given two sets are equal. Otherwise, the sets are said to be unequal and we write A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. So listen, here A has the elements A, B, C, D and B has E, F, G, H. So different elements. A and B has different elements. So therefore A is not equal to B. A is not equal to the given two set A and B is not equal. Here A belongs to A and A does not belongs to B. Say B belongs to A and C belongs to A, D belongs to A, and B, C, A, B, C, D is not belongs to B. And I will say E, F, G, H belongs to B, but E, F, G, H is not belongs to B. So therefore A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. So first example, two sets are equal. Both are exactly same element, same number of elements and same elements. But second one, same number of elements. Number of elements are same. So A has a number of elements 4 and B has a number of elements 4. But the elements are not same. Here A, B, C, D belongs to A, but E, F, G belongs to B. A, B, C, D is not belongs to B. E, F, G is not belongs to A. So given to set A, B is not equal. First one example equal set and second example not equal set. Not equal set. This is the equal set concepts. Okay, right. Here's next another example. Right side page number 7. First example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 1, 4, 2. They are given set A and B are equal. And second one example, A be the set of prime numbers less than 6. A be the set of prime numbers listen. A second one example. Let A be the set of prime numbers less than 6 and P be the set of prime factors of 30. Prime factors of 30. A is x such that x is a prime number less than 6. And P is the 6. So now prime factors of 30. Tell us A and B are equal. A and B are equal. A is equal to B. So these two sets are equal. So listen students. And set A is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 6. X is a prime number less than 6. So prime, what is a prime number? The prime number is used by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Here the prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on etc. 5 and 6. So 2, 3, 5. And this less than 6. 6 is not a prime number. So less than 6. So 2, 3, 5 only. So let's say A is equal to X is a prime number. Less than 6 is 2, 3, 5. And P is equal to, let's say P is equal to X is a set of prime factors of 30. So prime factors of 30. First find the divisors of 30. Divisors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And 15, 30. 15, 30. Yeah. Here the prime factor of 30. The prime factor is 2, 3, 5 only. 2, 3, 5 only. So the set P is equal to 2, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15, 30 are divisors of a given number 30. Are factors of the given numbers 30. By a given statement, the set P is equal to the set of all prime factors of 30. So prime factor be 2, 3, 5 only one. These are three numbers are prime numbers. So other numbers are composite. So 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. The set P is equal to 2, 3, 5 and A equal to 2, 3, 5. So these two sets A and B are same number of elements and same corresponding same elements, exactly same elements. Set A and P have the exactly same element 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 belongs to A and also 2, 3, 5 belongs to P. So which implies the set A is equal to P. The set is equal to P. Okay, right. Next, an important note is it. Notes. A set does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. A set does not change. Does not change if one or more elements are repeated. Elements of the set are repeated. Listen, for example, let's say A equal to, example, say A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. 2, 2, 1, 3, 3 or equal. Since each set A has 1 is belongs to A and 1 is also belongs to B, 2 is belongs to A and 2 is also belongs to B, and 3 is belongs to A and 3 is also belongs to B. Here 2 and 3 is repeated. Generally the set members of element is not repeated. So the B is equal to, say B is equal to 2, 1, 3 or B equal to 1, 2, 3. So these two sets A and B are same, equal sets. So note is important. The set does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. One or more elements of the set are repeated. Okay, so these two sets A and B are equal. Right? Next, example number 7 and example number 8. A simple question. So example number 8 and example number 7 homework. Okay, listen. Next, exercise 5th one question. Of the following pairs of set are equal. Sorry, 4th one question. The following state whether A equal to B or not. Listen students, fourth question, exercise 1.2, question number 4. In the following state whether A equal to B or not. First question, A equal to A, B, C, D, and B equal to D, C, B, E. Listen, A equal to A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, and B equal to D, comma, C, comma, B, comma, A. You know that the elements are is the unique D, C, B, E, but the order is different. So A, B, C, and D, C, B, E. Here A belongs to A and A is also belongs to B. B belongs to A and B is also belongs to B. C belongs to A and C is also belongs to B. D belongs to A and D is also belongs to B. So these two sets A and B are equal. A and B are equal because the elements of the two sets are same. The two sets A and B have the same element, but the lister is not different. Okay, so list is different. List of order is different, but the elements are same. So exactly same elements. Okay, so there is two sets A and B are equal. A, B, C, D, and B, C, B, A, same elements. So A and B are equal. First question, equal set. And next second one, A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. And B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. Listen students, here A and B is not equal. Why is that? Here the first question, A is equal to B, so the two sets have the same elements. But the second one question is not equal. These two sets A and B are not equal because the element 18 belongs to B, but 18 is not belongs to B. Here 18 is not belongs to B. Okay, 18 belongs to A, 18 belongs to B, and 4 is belongs to A, and 4 is belongs to B. 12 is belongs to A, and 12 is not belongs to B. 12 is belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. These two elements are different. A has 12 and B has 18. So two elements are different. 12 is belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. And 18 belongs to B, 18 does not belongs to B. So they are given two sets A and B are different. Have the different element 12 and 18. So A is not equal to B. So these two sets are unequal. Okay, right. Next, third one. Third one is that A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 8, 10. And B is equal to, I said B is equal to X such that X is a positive even integer. Positive even integer. And X is less than or equal to 10. X is a positive even integer. Let's say A is lesser numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, but B is X such that X is a positive even integer and X is less than or equal to 10. This is self-builder form. The right roster form. So B is equal to X such that X is a positive even integer. You know that a positive even integer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on etc. But given condition positive even integer and also X is less than or equal to 10. X is less than or equal to 10. So the positive even integer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only. So these numbers are positive even integer and also less than or equal to 10. So 2 is less than 10, 4 is less than 10, 6 is less than 10, 8 is less than 10 and 10 is equal to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's say a set A has the same element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B and also the same element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So therefore, two say A is equal to B are equal. So these two sets have same elements, exactly same element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, right. Next, fourth question. Fourth one, let's say a equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10. X is multiple of 10 and b is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So listen students, set a is x, so x is a multiple of 10. You know that the multiple of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on etc. So this is a. X is multiple of 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on etc. is a. But b has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on etc. Multiple of 5 and greater than or equal to 10. So these two sets are not equal. So a is not equal to b because the number 15 is not belongs to a and 15 is belongs to b. And also say 25, 35, 45 and so on etc. Okay, so some numbers is belongs to b but the numbers not belongs to a. So there is two sets does not have the same element. So the two sets a and b are not equal. So fourth one question, two sets are not equal. Okay, right. Next, the fifth one question. Next question number 5. So let's say, for the following class of set equal, set or equal, give your reason. Right. First question, a equal to 2 and 3, b equal to x such that x is the solution of the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Listen, a is a listed number 2 and 3 and b is this form is a self-builder form, the right inverse to form. So x such that x is a solution of x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Find the solution of the given equation, quadratic equation. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here 6 the sum of value 5. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and sum of value 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. So listen students, so the set B has two elements minus 2 and minus 3. But A has plus 2 and plus 3. Here two sets are not equal. So therefore the set A is not equal to B. The set A is not equal to B because the set A has plus 2 and plus 3 but B has minus 2 and minus 3. These two elements are different. 2 is like 2 and 3 is like to A but 2 and 3 is not like to B. Minus 2 and minus 3 is like to B but minus 2 and minus 3 is not like to A. So A is not equal to B. So this given two sets are not equal. Okay, right. Next, second one question. Let's say question number 2. Let's say A equal to x such that x is a letter in the word follow. Let's say x such that x is a letter in the word follow. So follow first line F O L is repeated so one time write in one time L and O is also repeated W. Generally said a number of an element instead is not repeated. So F O L W. It has element F O L W. And second set B has Y is a letter in the word whole. W O L F. So B has W O L F. So let's say 2 6. Set A has 4 elements F O L W, and also say B has W O L F, but order is different. Order is different. Right. Let's say here F is belongs to A and F is also belongs to B. O is belongs to A, O is also belongs to B. L is belongs to A and W is belongs to A. So L and W is also belongs to B. So there are two sets has, and the set A and B has same elements, exactly same elements. A is equal to B. Because these two sets have the same element, but list is not significant. Okay? Right. So set A equal to B. A and B are equal sets. So fifth question over. Next sixth one question. Next question number 6. Listen students, question number 6. From the sets given below, select equal sets. The given set, question number 6, A equal to 2, 4, 8, 12. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. C equal to 4, 8, 12, 14. D equal to 3, 1, 4, 2. And C equal to minus 1 plus 1. F is 0, A. And G 1 minus 1. H 0, 1. Right. From the set given below, select equal sets. So compare each and every set A and B. Compare A and B first. 2, 4, 8, 12, but B has 1, 2, 3, 4. So two sets has different elements. So A is not equal to solution. A is not equal to B, and A is not equal to C. Here 2, 4, 8, 12, but 4, 8, 12, 14. Here 14 is not belongs to E. So A is not equal to C. A is not equal to C because here 14 is not belongs to E, and A is not equal to D. Here 3, 1, 4, 2, but 2, 4, 8, 12. 12 is not belongs to D. So A is not equal to D. And here also saying A is not equal to E, and A is not equal to F. A is not equal to G. A is not equal to G. Okay, right. Next second question. B. B is as element 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And C has 4, 8, 12, 14. Here 12, 14, 8 is not belongs to the set B. So these two sets are not equal. So B is not equal to C. And compare the two sets B and D. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, and D has 3, 1, 4, 2. The same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is equal to D. The set B and D are equal. And set B and D are equal. And the elements are same. 3 is belongs to B and 3 is also belongs to D. 1, 2, 3, 4 is also belongs to D and B. So D and B are equal. So B and D is equal sets. Okay, next step. B and D, B and F, B and G, B and H are not equal. So B is not equal to E, and B is not equal to F, and B is not equal to G, and B is not equal to H. Okay, next step. Compare the set D and A equal set. D is only equal to B only. Otherwise, other sets are not equal. Okay, next step. E is equal to minus 1 plus 1. E and G. See here, E and G. The set E and G has the same element. Here minus 1 plus 1 have 1 minus 1. So E is equal to G. The set E is equal to G. The equal sets E and G are equal. And F has 0, A, 0, A, but H has 0, 1, so A is not matched to H, so F is not equal to H, F is not equal to H. So the following 6, B is equal to D and E equal to G only, so these two pairs are equal sets. Okay, right, so 6th question, B equal to D and E equal to G only, and B and D are equal set, and second one B and G are equal set, so other sets are not equal, so B and D are equal set and E and G are equal. This is solution of the given question set number 6. Okay, so exercise number 1.2 is complete. Remaining question example 7, 8 is homework. Next, subsets. Exercise number 1.3, subset, very important and interest topic. Okay, so listen. Next exercise number 3, the subset. Subsets. Over 6 and universal sets. Universal set. Okay, right, listen. First we see about subset. What is subset? The subset definition. Define subset. A set A is said to be subset of a set B. Set B if every element of A is also an element of B. An element of B. So let's say set A is said to be subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B. An element of B. So there is a symbol A is subset of B. The symbol is here as A is subset of B, or A is contained in B. A is contained in B. Okay. So a set A is subset of B. This is symbol. The symbol is A is subset of B, or A is contained in B. That means if every element of A is also an element of B. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's illustrate. Here, all elements, every element A has 1, 2, 3 is belongs to the set B. So one is belongs to A, and also one is belongs to B. 2 is belongs to A, 2 is also belongs to B. 3 is belongs to A, and 3 is also belongs to B. If each and every element A belongs to A, and also A is belongs to B, which implies A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Here all elements in A is an element of B. An element of B. So the set A is subset of B. Here B is a superset, A is a subset. B is a superset, A is a subset. Okay, so for example, let's say this is one example. Example number 1. And another example, example number 2. Example number 2. Let us say A is equal to the set of all x is the set of all students. Therefore, all students in your class. Okay, right. Next, let us consider the second set B as x such that x is the set of all students in your school. In your school. So, listen, students. First set has the number of elements, the set of all students in your classroom. Let us consider the total number of students in your classroom is 20. Okay, and the total number of students in your school as 100. Okay, right? So the 20 students, all 20 students are member of the set A is contained in your school. Contained in your school. Belongs to your school. Okay, so let's say A is subset of B. So therefore, the set A is subset of B. Set A is subset of B. So set of all students in your classroom is subset of set of all students in your school. Okay, very simple example. Right? Here B is a superset, biggest one set. A is a subset, smallest set. So here A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Okay, right. Next, notes. First note, if A and B are same element, same sex, if A is subset of B and B is subset of B, if and only A equal to B. The simple read as if and only if. If and only if. Or if. Okay, A is contained in B and B is contained in A. If and only if A equal to B. Or A equal to B. If and only if A is contained in B and B is contained in this one lesson, important lesson. Next, each and every set is subset of itself. Every set A is subset of itself. That means A is subset of itself E. A is subset of itself E. Okay, next set, third note. Empty set. Empty set is always subset of every set. Every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Right. Listen. Next. Suppose all element in A is not belongs to in B. If all elements in A is not belongs to. Then A is not belongs to B, not belongs to B, not containing B. Then A is not subset of B. A is not subset of B. That is mean A belongs to A, but A is not belongs to B, which implies A is not contained in B. A is not contained in B. Okay, if here are all elements of A is belongs to A is subset of B, but all elements in A is not belongs to B, then A is not subset in B. So A is not subset in B. Okay, next examples. Page number 10. Some examples. First example: the set of all rational numbers. A simple examples. Four examples. First example: set of all rational numbers is subset of the set of all real numbers. Set of all rational numbers is subset of all real numbers. That means Q is subset of real number. So this concept is already teach this concept. Okay, so Q is subset of Q is subset of here R is a superset, Q is a subset. So the rational set of all rational number is subset of a real number. Set of all rational number is subset of a real number. Okay, second one concept: if A is the set of all divisor of 56 and B the set of all prime divisors of 56, then B is a subset of A and we write B is subset of A. Right, correct. A is a prime factor. The same A is a set of all divisor of 56. Divisor of 56 means prime number and composite number. And next the set B is a prime divisor of 56. And B is a prime divisor. So prime divisor means prime numbers only. Okay, so prime divisor is belongs to the set B. So all elements in set B is belongs to the set A. So therefore set A is a superset and set B is a subset. So B is subset of A. Second one concept: B is a subset of A. And third and fourth very simple one. Example. You can follow this example. Okay, right. Next remaining example question and exercise question is in next class. Okay, so today we see subsets and the subsets concepts and equal set and not equal set, examples of equal set and not equal sets. Okay, so overall you correct observe class complete. Okay, every day class